The category of affordable housing. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, would like to mention that the government of India is also working towards extending houses to all and homes for all, and that is where extending affordable housing and the role being played by the real estate developers also towards extending homes for almost people of all budgets, all sizes. And here we are recognizing the best developer, affordable residential in Uttar Pradesh. The next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the best developer residential in Chhattisgarh, and the award goes to Chhattisgarh Project India Private Limited. छत्तीसगढ़ से हमारे साथ यहाँ पर है मिस्टर आनंद जैन डायरेक्टर, मिस्टर अनिल पारक डायरेक्टर। दोनों को बधाई देते हुए छत्तीसगढ़ प्रोजेक्ट इंडिया प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, जिन्हें यहाँ पर अब सम्मानित किया जा रहा है कैटेगरी बेस्ट डेवलपर रेजिडेंशियल इन छत्तीसगढ़। कंसल्टेंट्स की भी बहुत ज़रूरत होती है जो आपको सही तरह की एडवाइस दे सकें. So recognizing now the best real estate consultant of the year, and the award goes to Property Junction Realtors Private Limited. Property Junction Realtors Private Limited being appreciated and recognized as the best real estate consultants of the year. We have Mr. Sudhansh Gupta, Director, Mr. Jaspreet Singh, the Director, Mr. Sachin Goyal, Director, and Mr. Jay Prakash Goyal. Congratulations to all of them for being the winners in the category of Best Real Estate Consultants of the Year. Now moving to the interior designers and further consultants in that, this category is Best Emerging Residential Interior Design Award in Bengaluru, and the award goes to Interior Design Consultants. Interior Design Consultants from Bengaluru being awarded for the Best Emerging Residential Interior Design Award in Bengaluru. Congratulations to him. And the next category, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Architect Award in Jaipur, and the winner, Architect Rishi Raj Kapoor. Architect Rishi Raj Kapoor being recognized as the Best Architect in Jaipur. Jaipur, Pink City, और यहाँ पर when we talk about the architecture, it's also influenced a lot with the history, the tradition, the culture which is there of Rajasthan. And we have the architect Rishi Raj Kapoor being recognized for his work now. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the best emerging developer in Bengaluru, the award goes to Samskruti Builders. Once again, Samskruti Builders, the winners here. Mr. Venkat Chalasani, the CEO and Director, joining us. Mr. Kiran Pulimani, the DGM Sales and Marketing. And Mr. Vamshi Krishna, Head of Marketing, joining us to receive the award. Samskruti Builders, the best emerging developer in Bengaluru. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the individual award as we recognize the infra person of the year, and the award goes to Mr. Anup Kumar Mittal of NBCC Limited. He's not been able to join us, but requesting Mr. P.K. Seth, the Executive Director of NBCC, to kindly accept the award on his behalf. Product brand for bathroom accessories and furniture goes to Blackberry Overseas Private Limited. Blackberry Overseas Private Limited, the most preferred product brand for bathroom accessories and furniture, and Mr. Sudhanshu Jain, the director, receiving the award. And it is really heartening to see now we have the young generation moving into the real estate sector and extending their innovation and adding the more professionalism in the entire trade. The next category is the Best Retail Interior Design Award in Delhi, and the winner, ladies and gentlemen, Studio 13 Design Private Limited. Studio 13 Design Private Limited, being a judge as the Best Retail Interior Design Designers, and this is, they get the award being recognized from Delhi. The next award is the Best Interior Design Award in Bengaluru, and the award goes to Blue Sky Concepts. Blue Sky Concepts from Bengaluru, and they're being recognized for the interiors which they do in their properties in Bengaluru. The Best Interior Design Award in Bengaluru goes to Blue Sky Concepts. Moving down south to Karnataka, the Best Residential Architecture in Karnataka, and the award goes to My Birdie Solutions LLP. Mr. Shivaram Kumar, the Joint Managing Director, and Mr. Guru Prashant Kumar, the Executive Director, joining us to receive the award. My Birdie Solutions LLP, ladies and gentlemen, being a judge as the Best Residential Architecture in Karnataka. And we are still in the same region and the same state. The Best Property Consultancy in Bengaluru, the award goes to Property Connect. Property Connect, the Best Property Consultancy in Bengaluru, Mr. Ganesh KS, the founder and CEO, being joined along with Mr. Johnson, Manager Operations, to receive the award. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is the Best Residential Architecture Firm in Delhi NCR, and the award goes to Deepak Mehta and Associates. Deepak Mehta and Associates being recognized as the Best Residential Architecture Firm in Delhi NCR. Mr. Deepak Mehta joining us to receive the award, the proprietor. And also congratulations to Mr. Syed Azhar Hussain, the Senior Architect, Mr. Harindra Pratap Kataria, once again Senior Architect, and Mr. Mohit Khanna, the Architect of the organization, Deepak Mehta and Associates. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, the Best Architect Award in Madhya Pradesh. And the award goes to Manish Biohar. Manish Biohar being recognized as the Best Architect in Madhya Pradesh. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, the Best Marketeer Bath and Crafts in Chennai. The award goes to Chaudhary Agencies Bath and Crafts. And the next award, ladies and gentlemen, Best Developer Luxury in Bengaluru. And the award goes to Krishna Enterprises. Krishna Enterprises, the winner in the category of Best Developer Luxury in Bengaluru. And ladies and gentlemen, we had announced this award, but we did not have the awardee that time present here. So re-announcing the Most Admired Developer of the Year, the award goes to Tata Housing. We have been joined by Mr. Vachan Singh, the Senior Vice President, joining us to receive the award. Many congratulations to Tata Housing as being recognized as the Most Admired Developer of the Year. And ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to recognize the work which ED Studio is doing, and I would like to invite Mr. Vikas and Mr. H.R. Malik to kindly join us here, accepting this special recognition from Worldwide Achievers for the work which they're doing. Many congratulations to them. This is, ladies and gentlemen, the special recognition from Worldwide Achievers to ED Studio for the work which they are doing. Congratulations to them. आज की शाम के सभी अवॉर्डीज को बहुत बहुत बधाई, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. Congratulations to all of you. और एक बार फिर से सर आपका 1 मिनट का और टाइम लेना चाहूँगी. डॉक्टर बलियान का धन्यवाद करते हुए, शुक्रिया करते हुए हम उन्हें फेलिसिटेट करना चाहेंगे, शॉल पेश करना चाहेंगे. तो मैं अनुरोध करना चाहूँगी बीबी बरनलाल जी से to kindly felicitate the Honorable Minister by presenting him the shawl. And ladies and gentlemen, may I request you all to please join us as we extend our special thanks to the Honorable Minister for doing the honors of presenting these awards. Thank you so very much to him. और देवियों सज्जनों, मैं आपका ध्यान केंद्रित करना चाहूँगी. आइए स्वागत करते हैं श्री नवीन सिन्हा जी का, को कन्वीनर सहयोग सेल बीजेपी. उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहेंगे. उनका सपोर्ट, सहयोग वर्ल्ड वाइड अचीवर्स को हमेशा से रहा है. उनका भी शुक्रिया करते हुए फेलिसिटेटिंग श्री नवीन सिन्हा. और मैं एक बार सभी अवॉर्डीज़ को यहाँ पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी एक ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ के लिए. हमारे चीफ गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर के साथ एक ग्रुप फोटोग्राफ के लिए आप सभी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी. अपना ट्रॉफीज़ के साथ आ जाइए. आपको 2-3 रोज़ बनाने पड़ेंगे जिससे आप सभी एक फ्रेम में आ सके। सभी अवॉर्डीज को एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत बधाई, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस आपकी पूरी टीम को।
भाई तो सारे उनके भाई
अब जाओ वाइट ले लो ना, जाओ ना, जाओ। वो है नहीं हमारे ना पाला नहीं बना।